Hi guys! In this tutorial we're going to demonstrate how to print a white spot color on colored media. Then we'll print CMYK over top of it. A swatch and layer will be created in Illustrator. Any portion that doesn't have white toner down first will allow the substrate to show through the CMYK. With our document open, go to the color palette, click the top right corner and select New Swatch. We're going to name that new swatch White with a capital W. That way, the Pro C7100X will know exactly where to print the fifth color white. For color type, select Spot. For color mode, select CMYK. As for the color itself, we're going to select Solid Magenta to easily see where that white fifth color will print. If needed, the density of the white fifth color can be modified using the density slider. Now to keep things organized, we have a fifth color layer already created. Let's use the pen tool to draw our fifth color lightning bolt on that new layer. Now at the moment, I'm using a multiply effect on the lightning bolt shape. I'm doing this so I can see where the fifth color will print. We'll turn it off before we save our PDFs. Now we're going to modify the density of the fifth color. The main portion of the lightning bolt will remain at 100%. But the left edge, we're going to change that to 50%. That'll put down half as much toner in that area, showing through more of the colored substrate. We're now ready to save our PDFs. Let's only turn on the first pass layer. We're going to save it as a PDF, noting in the file name that this is the first pass. Using the Adobe preset PDFX4, the proper format. With these PDFs, we'll be using crop marks and document bleed. Now make sure you turn off your first pass white base layer. If you leave that on and save as the second PDF, it will print fifth color white over the CMYK, and you'll have to print it all over again. Alright, save as PDF, noting that this is the second pass in the file name. The PDF preset, crop marks, and document bleed should still be saved. Save your second PDF, and you're ready to print.